Tuscany, Italy, 2004. After years of studying the nature of electromagnetic and gravitational fields, celebrated futurist and Nobel Prize nominee Dr. Ervin Laszlo announces that he has found evidence of the A, or Akashic field.
Dr. Laszlo took work from the discovery of the quantum zero-point energy, which is a radiation field that exists all around us that we can't perceive, but we can detect it indirectly. It's very solid theoretically. It was first discovered by Einstein. So we know that the zero-point energy exists, and it carries a lot of information about the universe in it. Laszlo proposed that this didn't carry just a physical information about the physics of the universe, but also it contained intellectual information.
According to theoretical physicists, zero-point energy is an all-pervasive sea of quantum energy waves that is invisible but exists throughout the universe.
The fabric of space itself is made of energy and information, and the way this information propagates through the universe is through waves. We call that quantum waves. And so the Akashic field is made of quantum waves that are common to all intelligent life. This means that all human brains, extraterrestrial brains, any sort of otherworldly beings also are tapping into similar quantum waves.
This idea of an intelligent informational field that we can access with our consciousness is not pseudoscience, it's not superstition, it is a basic fact that our scientists are finding out is really true.
Nearly 2 decades prior to Laszlo's discovery, Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman published his groundbreaking work in quantum physics, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. In it, he explored the idea that electrons in our brains can be activated and informed by quantum waves, affecting our thoughts and subconscious.
So Richard Feynman talked about the quantum entanglement theory and the idea that you could have subatomic particles at any distance whatsoever, and they could affect each other, where information can be sent at great speeds, instantaneously, actually.
The human brain is full of electrical activity that creates radiation that a very sensitive radio receiver could pick up, and other minds, other places would also be able to send such waves. Feynman found from the idea of a quantum field of information, an electron moving in our brains could be receiving radio signals from the past, but to compensate, it must also receive waves from the future. Now, this means that every electron in our brains is actually a receiver.
Information could traverse to any part of the universe instantaneously. This could mean that intelligent civilizations could send complex information to us by quantum wave propagation or other means. They could very much be nudging society along through people having apparent visions, which could be nothing more complex than a radio broadcast, some sort of thought transference through the Akashic record.